Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to be working on a tall, dark, and handsome soap. This one I'm going to be fragrancing with the Perfect Man from Nature's Garden. I absolutely love this fragrance oil. It's very complex, very cologne-y. Oh, it just smells so fabulous. I can't wait to see how it handles in soap. It's supposed to not accelerate at all, discolor maybe to a light lavender, but not much discoloration, no ricing, so I'm really excited to see. For my colors today, the main soap color is going to be Green Vibrance Mica. I'm also going to swirl in activated charcoal, some brilliant blue mica, and I'm giving a try to this. This is from Mad Micas. This is the Snow White color, and this is a mica with looks like it's got some titanium oxide and some other stuff in it, but it's supposed to be a white mica instead of titanium dioxide. So I thought I'd give it a try, see how well it performs. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my lye water into my oils. Okay, there we go. All right, now I'm just gonna give it a nice blend and try to get to maybe just emulsification. Okay, that looks good and emulsified to me. Alright, then I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. Since it isn't supposed to accelerate, I'll go ahead and try putting it in. I know I usually, oops, sorry guys, I usually do it the other way where I separate in color first and then add the fragrance to each individual. But since it's supposed to behave pretty well, I thought I'd give it a try putting the fragrance oil in first. Alright. Then I've got my 3 little containers for the other colors that I'm gonna pour in. There we go, that looks good. Now I will go ahead and start adding in the colors. Here's that white mica from Mad Micas. Oh, this just smells so fabulous. Oh. Definitely like a masculine cologne fragrance. Okay, it's definitely making a nice bright color. I'll see how it looks after I stick blend it a bit, but I would say that that's pretty good. I wasn't sure what to expect, how well it would do, but I'd say I'm pretty impressed with how that looks. Now I'll do let's do the blue next. This is the Brilliant Blue from Nurture Soap. Let's see. Maybe a little bit more. Then I'll put the green into the main batch. This is the vibrant green. Oh yeah, that's definitely the green I was hoping for. Beautiful. And then finally, the activated charcoal. Alright, let's go ahead and stick blend these to make sure the colors are nice and incorporated through. Yeah, I think I'll just add a little bit of my titanium dioxide to the white. I just want to make sure it's nice and bright. Yeah, I'm always unsure with whites because my batter is very like on the side of like yellow and greeny. I use a large percentage of olive oil, as well as using a lot of like the natural shea and cocoa butter, which tend to be more yellow. Okay, that looks good. There we go. And then finally, let's get into the black. There we go. Okay, there's all my colors. Now let's go ahead and get my mold. I'm doing the tall and skinny mold again. I love this mold. In fact, my mom got me this one. This one is my second backup mold because I love it so much. She got it for me for my birthday. Thanks, Mom. Get a good portion of that in, and then I'll do drop swirls of the rest of the colors. Black, blue, white, some green. Oops. Yeah, these colors, I definitely like how they're going together so far. Definitely very masculine color palette, which is what I was hoping for. Go. I'm gonna tap it down to try and release any of the air bubbles. There we go. And then I'm gonna do a swirl on top with the remaining soap. So let's see. trying to scrape it out. Yeah, this fragrance oil definitely has been behaving marvelously. Definitely no complaints here. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything too precise, just getting everything mostly in a line. There we go. And though I have been doing a lot of the shimmer and sparkles and stuff on top for a masculine scent, I'm not sure if I quite want to go that route, but I will add some of the mica onto the top, mostly the blue and the green, just to add a little bit of sparkly interest without being glitter. There we go. That looks nice and happy to me. Now, I'm just gonna clean up the edges really quick and then do a nice, quick little chopstick swirl. There we go. There is my Tall, Dark, and Handsome soap. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my 99% rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. I think for this one I might, depending on my schedule tomorrow, I'm gonna try and cut it tomorrow. If not, I'll do it in 2 days, but I will let you know how long I let it sit before I unmold it. So I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today we're ready to cut the Tall, Dark, and Handsome soap. I love how the top turned out, and if you saw it get a little bit funky, the green always gets a little funky during the saponification process, but it turned back bright into this like beautiful green. So let me take off this end piece. I can get like a sneak preview what it's gonna look like. Let's see what we ended up with. Oh, that is really fun. Oh, I love it, and the scent definitely stuck. Yeah, the green and the blue definitely got right to where I wanted it to be with some of the black and white colors into it. Just lovely. Definitely a masculine scent. and I wanted it to be a more masculine bar in general, with the main color being green. There we go. Yeah, I love that top, and I love the nice drop swirl. Oh, it just smells so good. I wish you could smell it through your screen. Oh. Yeah, and just adding in some of the mica and the oil drizzle on top really just, I think, added to it. So it gives it a little bit of the shimmer without like the sparkle of the glitter. Very nice. Yeah, the scent definitely is holding through, but it's not like super in your face either, which is what I like. It's a nice medium hold. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Yep, just shy for that one. But yeah, it's all set to go. These will be ready, I think, early August. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.